All right, so I got these dogs. They're like $15 on Amazon. What's nice about them is, see, most of them tend to have like a round, they're circular. This is a flat edge. So a lot of times that will come in use. So one of the things I like to use with it is with my domino. So see, we got this stock right here. It's not very thick, it's pretty thin, and it's not much to it. So in the past, what I need to do is, let's see if I can get myself clamped here. So what I gotta do is, let's see here, this, do here. It's not a bad system. I mean, if it works, then I can plunge. But, oh look, it's moving around. So let's figure out how this can be more helpful than this, and cheaper. So what I do is I put one, say right here, depending on the size of the stock, or the length of it rather. I go like this right here, you notice, it's not going anywhere. So all I gotta do is I do it this way, and then I can plunge. But another little technique is, let's say you have, typically with this stock, it's gonna come from a longer piece. So we can take one of the cutoffs. This isn't cut off, but then what I can do, here we go, just some simple painter's tape. I'm gonna use just a teeny bit right here. I think maybe one's fine enough, but I'll just do two. And now, when I'm actually in the mortise, I have more for me to reference from. Now this is actually set a little bit high, but let me see if I can get a little better demonstration of this. So we're just gonna bring this up to right here. Okay. So now when I do this, I've got a lot more surface on which I can push, because otherwise it's gonna kind of tilt. So we don't want that. So again, just using these dog holes, got a great way to work with thinner stock, or rather narrower stock. The other thing is, sometimes, like with this piece right here, what I would do is I could just put it right here and then do it this way. It would not move. So otherwise, it's gonna be hard to clamp it. So this actually makes it really easy, because now I got a nice stop. I can hold it firm right here, but I know it's not gonna move at all when I plunge. So I hope that tip helps you guys today. Again, I got 4 of these for $15 off Amazon. Now the 20 millimeters holes here. I think you probably get them in 3/4 if you have like a Craig ACS. But yeah, also too, with this cut line right here, I don't need to worry about squaring up the MFT. This should be square right here. And there we go. So I can just bring this down and able to have it nice and square to my cut line.